Before you commit to buying tickets through London Theatre Direct, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know. If you're considering buying tickets for London's West End, you'll want to watch this till the end, especially because I'll be sharing some tips that could save you a lot of hassle, time, and money compared to other platforms. Next thing, while London Theatre Direct offers a user-friendly website, the process of securing your tickets is surprisingly smooth compared to competitors like Ticketmaster or ATG Tickets. They make browsing shows, selecting dates, and checking seat availability pretty intuitive. In fact, compared to other ticket platforms, their interface feels cleaner and faster. What really stands out is their no hidden fees structure, something that isn't always clear with other sites where you often find unexpected charges tacked on at the end. The fourth thing to know is that London Theatre Direct has an impressive range of shows, from classic West End hits like The Lion King and Les Miserables to brand new productions. This variety gives you a lot of flexibility, whether you're looking for a family-friendly option or something a little more edgy. They also offer a loyalty scheme where you can earn points for future bookings, which is something other ticket platforms often overlook. Moving on, one of the key features that makes London Theatre Direct stand out is their excellent customer service. Whether it's handling booking issues or providing detailed info on the shows, you get a level of personalized service that's not easy to come by with larger competitors. They're also known for having great support channels. Live chat is often available for quick resolutions, which makes it far easier to resolve any issues in real time. The sixth thing you need to be aware of is their transparent refund and exchange policy. Unlike some other services where getting your money back can feel like a hassle, London Theatre Direct makes it clear what your options are. They offer straightforward exchanges and even provide the ability to claim a full refund if a show is cancelled. It's definitely one of the most hassle-free ticket services you'll find in this space. Another thing to consider is the exclusive offers they sometimes have, like discounted prices for certain performances or special promotions tied to specific shows. These offers can sometimes be more competitive than what you'll find on other ticketing sites. It's worth keeping an eye on their website for flash sales and last-minute deals that you can grab while they're available. And finally, if you're looking for a way to try out London Theatre Direct risk-free, the best part is that you can get started with a free trial through the link in the description below. Not only does this give you access to all the benefits of their service, but you can also explore their range of tickets without any commitment upfront. You won't find this kind of no-strings offer on most other platforms. So, if you're planning to grab tickets for a West End show, make sure you click the first link in the description to get your exclusive trial and the best deals on London Theatre Direct. Don't miss out on this chance to experience theatre in one of the best ways possible without the usual headaches.